Hey guys, I am back. Hopefully the other video uploads just fine. I'm just going to keep the video right here so that I don't really have to turn my whole fucking computer around because I'm useless. If the other video doesn't upload, oh my god, my cards are so fucking messed up over here. But these are basically the cards that I really was interested in pulling. So, do you see what I'm talking about here? All of this nonsense right here. So just a quick recap of that. So I've got some Stellanites, Shadals. Nice. Nice. I'm really interested in the Burning Abyss just because the artwork is so good. And I really just fucking... I realize I'm going kind of fast, but this isn't the important part of this video. The artwork is just so good. And we're back at the beginning, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, because there's Scram. There's Scarm. I don't know. I don't know. Another pack. Another pack. Throw that on 4, I guess. Alright, we got this guy right here. 9-volt battery man. Hopefully this video, if the other one uploads... Oh, fuck yeah. I think he's my third one, sir. Oh, ooh. It's a shiny one. God, this pack is really good. I like this one. I'm really interested in the Burning Abyss. I like their effects. I don't know how they're going to run because we don't really have a ton of them, but Shadal Core. Nice. Nice. Very nice, guys. I'm going to put this in a separate pile so I can do a recap of this one too. And there's where the garbage is going to go. Sorry, I'm going to move so I can get closer to the garbage pile so I don't make a huge mess in my room. And at the end, if there's time, I'll do sorry, get that microphone out of there. A more comprehensive overview of what I pulled and shit like that. Another Dogu, very nice. Definitely want to try and put him in something, because I think he's got a really neat effect. And hopefully, the mic isn't bouncing around too much or and they're not making popping noises or anything like that. I really do apologize for any of that. It's just my setup is god awful because I don't have one, is really what it comes down to. Mozartia. I hate that they call it Mozartia. That's so stupid to me. Good old Mo's fart. Alright, what's next? What's next? Well, that's not true. We got 2 in the 1 pack, so that last pack not being super good is okay. Alright, let's see, good. This card is like fucking everywhere. Panzer Dragon, not bad. I don't know how you'd ever get him out really, but it's not bad. Alright, what's next? What's next? I'm not liking these packs right now. I hope my other video uploads because these are bad so far. Alright. Not bad, not bad. I'll put it out to the side. Let's see. Flash Knight. Second one of him. And another Vega. Vega drops like crazy. I hope he's good because I've got like 10 of him. Not that I'm going to sell these cards or anything like that, but I definitely do feel I could make my money back with what I've pulled. But I haven't seen the prices. I might be full of shit. Yes! Oh, fuck yeah. Is he my... I wasn't even looking. I hope you guys were just like looking at this guy while I had my head turned the whole time. Oh, fuck, yes. That's 2 of him. And definitely 3 of Beast. Nice. Nice. Noice. Nice. Alright. Hopefully you're getting all of this on camera and it's not sinking down low. God, I'm so bad at this. But, you know, live and learn, right? Cover, Cloud Castle. So meta. Alright. Oh, this guy. He has a really nice effect. Once per turn during your opponent's turn, when a card or effect is activated. Awesome. You can discard one card and negate the activation if you do destroy it. This is a quick effect. That's so good. I mean, I'm going to pull him out just because I really am interested in the UAs. I've only seen 3 cards from that archetype. I don't know if there's any more, but I'm definitely going to do some research after this. Alright. The piles are piling up. We got this, we got this, we got this. Hopefully sound isn't crazy. We got a super heavy. Super heavy's not bad. Yang Zing Unleashed. Stella Alpha. Alright. Not a great pack, but they all cannot be winners. Because that would be unfair. Face Off. This card is kind of, I don't know how I feel about this card. It's kind of iffy. It's good for sure, but it's too situational for me. Maybe I'm crazy. Open this shit up. I just rip that off, and I hate when I do that because that's more cleanup I gotta do. Alright. Chain Dispel to go with your Chain Destruction that you never play. Nice. Nice. I wish it was nice. Very nice. I was looking this time. I wasn't looking off to the right. Alright, yeah. So I've got 4 scrams now. And I'm not even mad. Not even mad a little bit because it's so good. I like that deck. The artwork is so nice. So nice. Uranus. Nice. Nice! Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me right now? I don't even care about that shit. What are you? Oh my goodness. Do you see this? You see this? In all, like, I'm dead serious right now. Granted, I bought 2 boxes, so it should increase my chances, but I don't think I've ever been this lucky in, like, when I bought a box. I always got, like, the shittiest cards, and, like, I know this guy right here, that guy. I don't, in all honesty, that's a lie. I'm making stuff up. I don't know if he's good or not, but he's fucking shiny, and that's all that matters in the end, isn't it? Cloud Castle, Mozartia. Oh! 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 No. Is this the real life? El Shaddai Winda. Hola, me llamo Piscina de la Muerte. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, God. Gentlemen, ladies, anyone watching this video, there is my garbage pile. As you can see, we got, you know, a bunch of shit over here. We got all our extras over here. And if we take a little journey over here, we can kind of see the rest of my room and how awesome that is. Yep, look at that. Hey. But, yeah, I'm going to bring it back over here real quick so we can go over what I pulled. Do I want to do both? I did the first one in the beginning, so I'll just do this one again. That. All the good ones were really in the second half. Holy shit. Like, I am so pumped. Like, no joke. I'm gonna show these again. This is from the other box, what I pulled. So you've got, you know, Scram, you got 2 of those, you got 2 of Graph, and 1 Sir, and I pulled another one of all of them, I'm pretty sure. These were random rare cards, Pendulum Back, Saphira Queen. Again, this is from the other box that I opened earlier that I was so excited about. And this card, I didn't know this card existed, but it's pretty good. Let me read you its effect. This card gains the effect total number of cards in both players' pendulums. So maybe like an anti-clip-off, or Cliff Fort, I think is the new one, Cliff Fort. One or more gains 800 attack and defense. Two or more at the start of the damage step. If this card battles a pendulum summon monster, destroy that monster. Yes. And then three or more monsters you control must attack this card if able. Your opponent controls, not you control. Reading's hard. And then four or more if this card destroys a monster by battle or by its effect, draw one card. Actually, no. I think it's just 4. I don't know if they can have more than 4 to get the 4 effect, because it just says 4. It doesn't say 4 or more. Back to my Yang Zings. I showed in the first one, but I got 2 fucking Baxias. Or Baxias. I don't even know. I don't know. One of the red guy, one of the blue guy. One of them is a secret rare, and then the other is an ultimate rare. And I was so happy. These were like the rest of the Yang Zing shit. It was just the spell and trap cards. Bunch of bullshit. The melodious motherfuckers, just because I majored in music, and I thought it was kind of cool. All the exceeds, they're all the same. This burner visor is pretty good. I like its effect. I'm kind of reaching out here. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Satellas. All the Satellas that I pulled from the last one. Sorry, I'm just kind of going through. I got an Altair. I was very happy about that. And then a Stellar Nova Alpha. This card reminded me of... Excuse me, I'm kind of getting over a cold. It reminded me of Barrier a little bit. It's not exact because you have to pay more, because Barrier don't pay shit. But that's what it reminded me of. And then the Shaddolls that I pulled in the last pack. So that's 1 beast. 1 dragon, 2 beasts. So I have 3 or 4 beasts, and I know I have 2 dragons, I think. But that's really for me to look back on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I would turn the computer around, but then you'd have to hear the and all that shit that you probably had to put up with anyway. I do thank you if you watched the whole video for putting up with me. You know, live and learn, all of that fun shit. And yeah, I really, really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And I have to figure out how to turn this off. It's upside down. There we go.